everyone, this is Lena from Premier Team Real Estate. I'm a real estate agent in Austin, Texas, and welcome back to Go ATX Real Estate channel. It's been a while since I posted my last video on other communities. Today I'd like to introduce you to this one brand new community called Parkside on the River. And Parkside on the River is located in Leander-Georgetown, Texas, which is north of Austin. The location is perfect for anyone who want to live here and work in Austin, or even work at Apple campus or even Samsung campus. It's less than 30 minutes drive to each location. And if living here, you have a lot of beautiful scenic hill country view, open space, and a lot of large oak trees, greens, and water. Especially this community is located right at the bank of the San Gabriel River in the back. So today I'm here to introduce to you this new community and also tour you one of the model homes. The 5 famous builders that build homes in this community are Perry Homes, and they are high popular and famous builder, at least I know in Texas. So Perry Homes is one of them. Highland's Home is another one. Coventry's, Morrison's, and also MI Homes. So today we're going to tour one of their house, which is the model. As far as the tax rate and HOA in the school district here, of course, there's going to be a communities, amenities in this location, which with the beautiful natural scenic like this, there are going to be nice trails, there's going to be large swimming pools, and there's also going to be a lot of area where you can actually play sports. All right, so the tax rates here are a little bit different for Georgetown versus Leander. It depends on which part of the community that you are purchasing or building your house on. Leander is typically around 2.6 to 7%, and Georgetown could be a little bit less than that. All right, so it's still going to be less than 3.0 property tax rate. HOA, of course, probably going to be ranging from $60 to $75 per month because of the community and the amenities that they have in this community. If you have any questions on this community, please contact me. My information is at the end of the videos. Also, if you like to build houses here or wanted to watch more of the different model homes, please watch all my videos. Feel free to subscribe and click like, and so that you can see more new updated contents that come in your way. Thank you for watching, and I will see you at the model homes.